What is going on, guys? I'm going to go over the Xtreme Fireworks catalog for 2013. Just got this today. Haven't uploaded a video yet for 2013, so I guess this is going to be my first video for 2013. Alright, so you get, I'm just going to go over the front here. You get free rockets with the first $50 purchase. Everything in the store is buy one get one free, and you got a glare. Oh, there we go. Mix and match, same priced items, and then they have green labels in the store. That's buy one get two free, and I don't know if you can mix or match items because I don't have it here. Alright, right here is Platinum Box by Canon brand. It's $100. It's everything on this page is buy one get two free, so 3 for 1. 21 shots of blue and silver mines bursting into glittering willows with a spectacular sizzling finale. So, Pyroholic by Canon brand. 29 shots addicted to red glittering buckets with arching green and yellow titanium counts. $100. Heavy Metal is crackling tails to blue and silver coconuts. Finale of red and silver crackling. That's by Firehawk. Titan's Fury, 500 gram, 18 shots. Best and biggest crackling golden crosses stretch across the sky. $100. Titan's Fury by Canon brand. And we got some Blue Dragon Roman candles. I don't see who it's by. Blue color mid-range flyer with loud reports. I've had these before. They're awesome. I recommend them. I guess we got a coupon here. $20 off any purchase over $200 plus other coupons. And it all just fell. Alright, it looks like everything on this page is 3 for 1, 2. We got Thunder Driver, 500 gram, and we got a glare. Colored tail with whistles to gold and white glittering willows. Brocade crowns with the red and green stars. 4-shot finale with green and purple willows. And that's by Canon brand, Thunder Driver. Wild Factor. I'm assuming it says lots of purple, green. Yeah, I can't even see. I'm sorry, I can't see, but it looks like it's $149.99. Overdrive, 19 shots of red and green dahlias with gold glittering and silver fish. Rapid finale with red and green chrysanthemum. Overdrive by, I'm assuming, I can't find a brand. Twister sticks. I got these last year, but now, last year they were only 2 for 1, now they're 3 for 1, $1.49. Spins on the ground, blasts into the air. Rips, it says. Secret Base. 20 shots, a railgun of silver tails to colored palms with a destructive finish, apparently. These are the early bird rewards. Purchase of $125, receive a $35 value of Mighty Max Roman Candle 12-pack. $250 or more, you get the Starlight Rocket 12-pack and the Mighty Max Roman Candle pack. $375 or more, receive the first 2 items and a Cannonball Artillery 12-pack. Purchase $750 or more, you receive the grand finale assortment and everything I've said previously. The double Xtreme deal. Purchase $1,000 or more, receive 50% off total and free fireworks. The awesome specials. Now this top row is good May 1st through June 9th, only while supplies last. 14, what is this? The Fire Spells, 14 shots, $12.99, or regularly $54. Colored glittering willows and dahlias, crackling mice, red crossets, massive finale bouquet, gold willows, and crackling. Next, my favorite color is orange. They have my favorite colors purple. I think they have just about every color you can think of, or just maybe the primary colors. 16 shot, my favorite color is orange, $6, originally $24. 16 mixed shots of orange mines, tails, peonies, glittering coconuts, rapid shot finale. And then we got a 19 shot dancing color ball and 19 shot multicolored crackling barrage. It's $1.49, originally $6, so can't go wrong with $1.50. And then the next deals are good through June 10th through June 24th, and June 24th is my birthday, so we might get to go. Only while supplies last. Once again, the 12-shot Angry Bowl by Cannon brand, red, white, and blue pearls with report silver palms, blue peony, crackling, three finale shots of huge willows. I kind of doubt huge, but I don't know. You never know. Originally $60, but $12.99. We got a fountain here. I don't like fountains, but I love Genie Fountain. Three wishes of gold, silver, and blue glittering chrysanthemums, and some black cat kaleidoscope candles, 10-shot Roman candles with 5 assorted effects. $3, originally $10. It's a 4-pack, so can't go wrong with those. You can join a Pyro Club. Spend $300 and enter Xtreme Pyro Club and receive a hat or a shirt. And apparently they have the lowest prices and largest selection in Wisconsin. Here's their brands: Black Cat Brothers, Cannon, Mighty Max, Firehawk, Assassin, and Untitled Pyro. Feel the power. Their staff. 50 minutes over the Wisconsin-Illinois border. For some reason, that's true. I don't know what I was thinking there. Now, we're just getting into the normal 500 grams. Sorry, I'm just rearranging here. We got some 3-inch shell finales over here. Fully loaded, $170. It's a assorted colorway, chrysanthemum color, changing peony, and with 2 brocade crowns in rapid shots. It's 9-shot. It's by Firehawk. Whammy. 9 shots, red, green, yellow, blue, purple, lemon, peonies, ends with 3-shot volley. Dangerous. Red and blue with crackling palm pistol, golden wave to crackling colored peony to palm pistol, 9 shots, $170 once again. Now we got some Brothers cakes all up here. So up here we got Southern Comfort. From here out I'm not going to read the stuff, so I'll read this one because of the glare. 30 shots, quickened shots of silver bouquets in the background, sharing the show with orange, green, red leaves. And we got a we got Movers by Brothers and Shakers by Brothers, and these are maximum load. I'm not going to read these because my throat's been hurting all day, so. And those are both $84. If you didn't get to read it, just rewind it and pause it. Fort Sentinel, $109. Gameplay, $89. 16-shot. Oh, the Fort Sentinel's, it's got it's 50 shots, so I'm thinking this might be a, yeah, it's a wave cake, alright, I think. I don't know, but Oh, got to see my finger there. Oh, that's probably not good for my lamp. Slam. I'm just gonna go through these really fast now. Whoops. Frontline, $100. Blue Eruption, $130. Rising Thunder. Uncle Sam's Answer. We Love It Loud. Let's see, Hitmaker. And Firefly. Now, artillery shells. The Ultimatum 2. That's a pretty big thing. It's just $700. I don't know if that's worth it, but you get 2 boxes for $700. Mega Pyro Pro. That's the pricing. Ultimatum #1. God dang flare, or flare, and glare. Firehawk kit. Power load. And here's some just random assorted shells that probably aren't that good. If I were to get some, I'd probably get these smiley face shells. Oops, you have to see my finger again, sorry. 5-star artillery shells. They're 5 rates. I hate 5 rate shells. They're sucky, but Commander-in-Chief. I might pick up one of these just because I'm curious of how good these canister shells are. $180, you get 2 for $180, so and there's the now I'm not going to go over these assortments, I'm just going to go over the family assortment. These are all fountains. I went to this earlier, $69. Yeah, so no, unless you like fireworks or fireworks illegal or illegal in your state. This is legal just about anywhere in the United States. Legal, not illegal. But in Illinois, everything's legal, but we still get the illegal stuff. The spectacular assortment. Now this has got little evil artillery shells. So this is about double the price of a family assortment, but it's still not the best assortment. I'll run through this stuff. Contains. I love the V3 bombers for some reason. The detonator assortment. Sorry if I'm going really fast. I don't know how much more time I have left. It's $100. Oh, it's $200. I didn't see it. $200. So $100 a piece, because you get buy one get one free. Or you can mix and match it with another. See what I do? I'd get one assortment and then mix and match it with a cake. $100 cake. Maybe. Never mind. Because you'd have to get another $199 thing. I just thought that over. I'd probably get the detonator assortment, mix and match it with the grand finale assortment. That's what I'd do. See, they have my favorite colors. Red. This is all cakes. There's nothing other than cakes in this assortment. So there might be a fountain. I don't know. I didn't look at this that much. These are the bigger assortments. The Assassin assortment, $230. Sorry if I'm going really fast again. My throat's killing me, but this is the last page. The Sonic Blast assortment. This is a really cool assortment. They got the hydrogen bomb and the atom bomb. It looks like, or neutron. I think it's a neutron bomb. And those are really good cakes by Brother. Probably some of my favorites, but $600. I don't know if it's really worth $600 when I could. I'm not saying anything bad about Xtreme fireworks, but you know, $600 really. I mean, I haven't had the assortment in person, but and it is technically it's $250 per assortment. So I guess that's a better deal. They're just giving you the full price. The Roman candle assortment. This is $69. I got this last year, the day before the 4th of July. I didn't make a video on it because we got home late, and then the 4th of July I was all busy fusing up all my shells, and I didn't get a video out until a couple days after, and I just didn't have time to videotape this. But when you go there, they have it in a big brown box, or they did last year at least, and it's they're real nice. Just about every candle in here is really good. The only ones I didn't like were these ones right here. They're just really bland, the normal ones. So I'll give you one last look at all the stuff. I'm sorry if I'm going fast. Don't have much time left, but that's where they're at. Artillery shells. I don't even know why I'm showing you all this stuff again, but the assortments again. Detonator, Grand Finale, Assassin, Pro Series, Sonic Blast, and Roman Candle. Well, look forward to some more videos coming very soon. Till then, gone.